Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe, and also make sure you check out my website, link down below for the trading zones for the S&P E-mini futures. $50 for a lifetime subscription, and also my Patreon page, again link down below in the description. Only $8 a month to follow along with our stock and option trade alerts and all that. So as always, let's jump right into it. This is a weekly watch list for August 30th 2021. So we're looking at the S&P E-mini futures. The market just flipped. Why? Why did the market flip? Well, let's take a look at a couple things. We were bearish, right? As of yesterday, we were bullish. Then yesterday, we actually took out the lows. And here's something interesting going on. We have a bullish engulfment here because if we zoom in, we took out this candle, actually engulfed this candle by a tick. The low here was 44.7675. The low here on this day was 44.76 and a quarter. So we took out this low, and then we also took out this high. The very next day, the market went full bearish, right? Because we took out this low. What happened here was we took out the low, then took out the high. So that was a bullish. The next day we took out the low, and then today we took out the low, reversed, and then took out the high on major major green candle. One of the interesting things is very rarely do you see almost back-to-back bullish engulfment days, especially on the daily. But with that being said, still no excess, but maybe we are coming to an end. But with that being said, the market flipped. Powell came out, said they're probably not going to taper till the end of the year. Who knows when they'll raise interest rates. So they're going to keep this kind of market bubble keep chugging along for a while. With that being said, let's take a look at drawing a couple trend lines. What does the market have for us? Well, we could see there's this trend line connecting these pivots with this pivot up here, but we also have this little trend line going on, which is a potential rising wedge. But here's the interesting thing. Do we pop up, okay, and then keep going? Or do we pop up in reverse and then take all this out? That's the question. If we do, I'll be watching for any excess. I'll be watching to see how long it takes. Remember, bigger picture. Okay, I believe it's where was it? This trend line right here. Okay. And let's kind of draw, just connecting from this low to this high and up, drops us off around 45.50 level. So keep an eye on that level for the S&P this week if you want to look for shorts. If you think you're a genius and you want to call a market top, 44.50 level. The next major one is 46. So that's what's going on there. But as of right now, the market flipped. We went from being bearish to bullish. So bullish into early next week on the S&P E-minis. Let's take a look at NQ/NQ. Nice breakout on the NQ with kind of conviction. Let's get rid of all these trend lines. I was saying watch for a bull flag. There was a bull flag here, finally broke out of that bull flag. So now what was resistance will now become support on the way back down. So if you're looking for a potential entry, watch the 15,163 level. But with that being said, we're kind of right here. Okay, we still have a little bit of ways to go. There is a little bit of excess starting to kind of form, but watch this 15,000, we'll say we'll just call it 560, 15,550 level. Okay, right now, so that's right now we're at what, 428. So watch 15,550 for resistance, about another 125 points to the upside for that. So that's what's going on with NQ. Let's take a look at Bitcoin / BTC, or sorry, crude oil. Crude oil, nice big bull flag. I said last week, watch crude oil. Nice bounce potential off the 62. If you caught that, awesome. You made about 5 points this week. We're stuck at the 50. So maybe a little pullback to the point of control right here on the bigger time frame, 65, and then maybe a retest up here to this upper trend line of around $70 on crude oil. Bitcoin / BTC, I was bullish on Bitcoin. Kind of little pullback, right? We're making higher highs, higher lows. Just watch a nice update today off the pullback. So I'm still watching this 52 to 53 level, 1,000 on Bitcoin if you want to look for any longs. Gold, so I was bullish on gold. Nice bull flag, boom, right here, broke out. I've been bullish on gold for a couple weeks now. I think if we could get above this 171, we could start to make a move back up, probably to this 179 level on gold. Silver, same thing. I said watch. Been calling this, I said watch above this 220, probably 2220 level. Look at this nice engulfment day, push to the upside, nice divergence down here. Okay, so if you've been watching that, it's been telling you long silver. I said I've been kind of getting a little bullish on silver. If it went down here, I'd be a buyer, but kind of never even got there, lower trend line. So next move, probably this 23 and change on silver. AAPL, Apple, just kind of stuck, dead in the water. Let's get rid of a few of these lines. Let's get rid of everything on Apple, and let's kind of see what's going on here. What I see, big bull flag, right? Watch Apple to break out to the upside. If we fail, and we fail below this probably 140, and the market starts to fall, this might be a telltale of a fail, and watch the 130 level on Apple. But right now looks like a bull flag breakout, kind of W pattern, pause, all-time highs, breakout to new highs. Let's take a look at AMZN. Amazon kind of bounced off the 200. I'd say a little more ways, probably watch this 3,400 level, maybe for a pause. So there is a little more ways up. And finally, let's take a look at SPRT, which is support.com. Man, this thing has gone bonkers the last couple days. Let's just pull up a 15-minute chart. Okay, look at this move. Massive move up, massive move right back down. Me and a buddy have been watching this and playing it a little bit. This thing's just crazy. But watch this $20 level for a potential bounce to fill the gap. Okay. Also the 200's right below it. So maybe a bounce for a couple dollars. Again, pump and dump. Things a piece of junk, like they all are. But with that being said, there are trading opportunities to jump in and out real quick. So keep an eye on that for next week, SPRT. So that's it for this week's video watch list. I hope this helps, guys. As always, thank you for watching. Until next time, we'll talk to you guys soon.